I'm Emily and we are the Tran twins. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you how we make our fried hot Cheeto pickles. So let's get started. So first, let's start with the first step, which is we need flour and seasoning. You can use any pickles, but we are going to be using Stackers because they have the perfect amount of pickle and hot Cheeto. It's the perfect ratio. So let's get started. You can use any seasoning, but since we are from Texas, we are going to be using some Cajun seasoning. These eggs are from my backyard, so it's organic. It's the best. Now we add a little bit of milk. Now we're gonna whisk. This is an egg wash. So now it's time to crush up our Cheetos. Okay, so now let's crush them. Now let's dump it in. Oh. So now it's time to dip it. Now, egg wash. Now your Cheeto powder. There you have it. Okay, so we normally deep fry these, but this time we're gonna put a few in an air fryer. Okay, so now let's put them in the air fryer. Okay, so now we're gonna deep fry the rest of them. There you have it, fried hot Cheeto pickle. So now let's try it. Looks so good. Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go. It's so good. Fried is even better. So good. So the ones that we just ate was the deep fried ones. Now let's try the air fried ones. Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go. That's good. So which one do you like better? The deep fried ones or the air fried ones?
The air fried.
I feel like they both taste the same. It's both good. Very delicious. So that was how we made our fried hot Cheeto pickles. So yeah, till next time, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. You should try this. It's so delicious.